Yo, entrepreneurs, are you ready to embark on an exciting journey? Ready to ride the wave of e-commerce success and make your mark in the digital marketplace? Amazon FBA is your speedboat, propelling you forward at lightning speed. Think of it as having Amazon as your personal assistant, handling storage, shipping, and even customer service. They take care of the heavy lifting. You find the winning products, they handle the rest. It's a seamless partnership. It's like outsourcing your headaches, leaving you free to rake in the profits. Sounds good, right? Imagine the freedom and flexibility. But like any good business, it takes hustle, strategy, and a sprinkle of Vaynerchuk grit. You need to be prepared to put in the work. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. From the basics to advanced strategies, we've got you covered. From finding the perfect product to watching those sales notifications roll in, it's all about execution. Consider this your ultimate guide to crushing it with Amazon FBA. Success is within your reach. Get ready to dive in, the water's fine and profitable. Let's make waves together. First things first, you gotta get on board. Setting up your Amazon FBA account is as easy as ordering your morning coffee. Hopefully you're drinking something stronger. Head over to Amazon Seller Central, choose your plan, we're going pro, and fill in the deets. Think of this as setting up your online storefront. It's where you'll manage inventory, track sales, and basically run your empire. Don't worry, Amazon makes it pretty intuitive. Plus, there are tons of resources available if you get stuck. Once you're all set up, it's time to stock your virtual shelves. Let's find some winners. This is where the real fun begins. Finding a killer product is like striking gold in the Amazon jungle. You want something in demand, but not overly saturated. Think niche markets, problem-solving gadgets, or things people buy on repeat. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to spy on the competition. See what's selling, what's not, and where the opportunities lie. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel, just find a way to make it spin faster. Next up, we'll find the right suppliers to make your product dreams a reality. Stay tuned. You've got your product, now it's time to find your manufacturing maestros. These are the people who will bring your vision to life. Sourcing can seem daunting, but it's all about finding the right partners. The right supplier can make or break your business. Alibaba and Global Sources are your go-to platforms for connecting with manufacturers worldwide. Do your due diligence, check reviews, verify credentials, and ensure they meet your standards. Research suppliers, request samples, and compare quotes. Communication is key. Don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify details. Make sure your vision aligns with their capabilities. A clear understanding between you and your supplier is crucial for success. Remember, a reliable supplier is worth their weight in gold, especially when you're selling that gold on Amazon. Consistency and reliability are paramount. With your supply chain secured, it's time to get those products prepped and ready to ship to Amazon's warehouses. Proper packaging and labeling are essential. Next stop, creating listings that convert. Your product's journey doesn't end here, it's just beginning. Make sure your listings are compelling and informative. Your product listing is your sales pitch, your storefront window, your chance to shine. High-quality images, compelling copy, and relevant keywords are your secret weapons. Think about what would make you click Add to Cart. Highlight benefits, not just features. Use bullet points to break up text and make it easily digestible. And don't forget the power of social proof. Customer reviews are like gold stars for your products. Now that you've lured shoppers in, it's time to keep those orders flowing smoothly. Let's talk inventory management. Inventory management might not sound glamorous, but trust me, it's crucial. It's the backbone of your operations, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Running out of stock is like hitting a sales iceberg. It can sink your profits and damage your reputation. Use Amazon's FBA tools to track inventory levels, forecast demand, and avoid those dreaded stockouts. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. Remember, storage fees are a thing. They can add up quickly if you're not careful. Find a balance between having enough inventory to meet demand and avoiding unnecessary costs. This balance is key to maintaining profitability. It's a delicate dance, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be smooth sailing. Mastering inventory management can set you apart from the competition. We've covered a lot of ground, but our Amazon FBA adventure isn't over yet. There's always more to learn and new strategies to implement. Next up, we'll explore marketing strategies to take your sales to the next level. Stay tuned for tips and tricks to boost your visibility and drive more traffic to your store.